Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video, I will teach you how to add a direct buy now button in WooCommerce. But before jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor, basic WordPress and much more. So if you want to learn WordPress, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. Very first, let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. That's why navigate to the another tab and you can see this is an e-commerce website. If I scroll down, then you can see this is the best selling products and let's try to make an order from here. So you have to click over here, just add to cart, then you can see now it shows view cart. Again click over here, then it will redirect to the cart page and you can see this is the cart page. You can update the cart or product quantity from here. Then you have to make an order from here. Just you can update the cart from here, update cart, then process to checkout. Then again you have to click over here to make an order. Okay, click over here, then this is the checkout page and finally you can place an order from here. And you can see already it takes lots of time. Then again navigate to the another website and you can see, just scroll down, this is the featured products and then again try to purchase a product from here, add to cart, then you will see directly it will redirect to the checkout page and it gives a very good user experience. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can add this type of functionality. Just if anyone click add to cart button, then the user will be redirected to the checkout page directly. Okay, so now I can close this tab and I want to add this functionality in this website. So very fast we have to install a WooCommerce free add-on. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add plugin. Then you have to search here direct checkout for WooCommerce. Yes, and you can see this is the add-on direct checkout for WooCommerce and in this tutorial I am going to use this add-on. So click over here, install now, then the activate. After install and activating the add-on, maybe you will be redirected to this area. This is the admin area and you can see installed all plugins are showing here. Just check where is the add-on which right now I have installed and activated. You can see this is the add-on right now which I have installed and activating, WooCommerce direct checkout. If you click over here settings, then you will be redirect to the settings page and another way you can go here. Just if you hover over on WooCommerce and click over here settings, and this is the WooCommerce settings area and you can see it has a lots of settings tab and this is the WooCommerce settings tab and in right side you can see this is the direct checkout. Okay, so I have to click over here direct checkout and this is the add-on checkout page which I have installed and activate right now, which name is direct checkout for WooCommerce. Okay, so I have to configure it from here and very fast you can see the general tab is selected. Okay, this is the general tab and here is added to cart alert. Yes, if we click this down arrow, then you can see yes and no, you have to select it. Yes, then again click another down arrow and you have to select yes, then the added to cart redirect, sure I want it, and this is, you can see this is the added to cart redirect to, actually where you want to redirect, actually I want to redirect to the checkout page. So you have to select the checkout page from here and if you want then you can give custom URL here. Okay, so I want to redirect to the checkout page, it's okay, and replace cart URL, no, so just give it like as a default, no. Then save changes and again navigate to the another tab archives, click over here. Actually this is the shop page or category archive page and you can see replace add to cart text. Just click over here, then you can see yes, and you can write the text from here by now. Actually I want to give here by now. Okay, then replace add to cart text. Actually if you can select the product type from here, if you click here, then you can see it has different types of product. Actually I want to add this functionality for all type of products, so I have to select it, virtual products and variable products, then the downloadable products. Okay, so if you want, then you can select all product types, or if you want, then you can give any one of them which you want. Okay, so I want to give all products type, so it's perfect for me. Then replace add to cart text content, I want to give by now. So if you want, then you can change the text from here. Okay, then again save changes. After that, navigate to the another tab, products, and you can say add Ajax add to cart. Actually it's for a feature. Then the replace add to cart text, no, yes, actually I want to replace it, yes, and already I have given here by now. So if you want, then you can change the text from here as well. Then again save changes and navigate to the another tab, checkout, and you can see if you want to remove any field from the checkout page, you can do it from here. Actually I do not want to show it in this tutorial. I want to show only how to add direct buy now button in WooCommerce. Okay, so I want to keep it like as a default. Then again save changes and go to the website, just refresh the URL and check it. Okay, scroll down and you can see this is the buy now. If I click over here, actually previously it was add to cart. Okay, so already I have changed it, so just click over here buy now, then you will see it will redirect to the checkout page. Yes, and it works perfectly. Then again go to the shop page, just this is the shop page. Actually go here and check it again, this is the shop page, and try to buy a product from here. Click over here buy now, then you will see it will redirect to the checkout page. Okay, right now I can give the information here and directly I can place an order, so it will gives a better experience to user. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.